This is Leslie from Princess Leslie Daily Vlog, and today I'm gonna be trying a buldak jajangmyeon for the first time. And here's the jajangmyeon. Here, I'm gonna be taking my first bite. I think I'm gonna get a little amount of it because I don't want to surprise myself on the spiciness level of this food. And it's actually 12, almost 1, and I'm filming this at night. Spicy. I wish I can finish this. It's not salty, just the right amount of um, it's in the middle taste. I think it's gonna be a hard film, a hard eating video because it's spicy and it's still hot. And I don't have water here. So bear with me please, guys. Here. Oh, they have actually milk. I'm gonna get later the milk if I can take the spiciness level. Oh, I can feel the spicy level here in my lungs. How? This is the noodles. It's already 29 in December, and what's your plan, guys, today and on the new year? I don't know if I'm gonna be celebrating the new year here or in in my house, in our house. I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna get the milk later. And here is the milk, fortified milk from Selecta. And I'm gonna be preparing this to help my tummy. And I know it's gonna be hard to poop eating this. You can feel the warm here, the sensation here in this part. It tastes good, the milk. It's perfect to pair this with sunny side up egg, and the egg yolk is still raw. Eating this. Do you have any New Year's resolution, guys, for this 2020? And have you done already the all of your New Year's resolution this year? Have you reached all your goals this year on your from your New Year's resolution on 2018? And have you done it in this year, 2019? Sorry, I'm messy eater. And as you know, every time I eat spices, um, my nose is runny always. And here is the noodles. I wanna roll this because it's messy if I didn't roll this. I'm actually uploading a video on YouTube right now. The one when I'm eating crabs. The milk really helps me to lessen the spiciness. It's sweet, tastes sweet. It's not salty, it's sweet, a little bit sweetness, and I don't know how to, because it's a black bean, and I don't really know how black bean tastes like. Excuse me. My weakness. My friend actually bought noodles with soup, with cheese noodle soup. I don't know how it is called, but it is a yellow wrapper. After I wash the milk with in the noodles with milk, the noodles taste salty. Oh, I saw a Korean girl group, one Korean girl group who ate this jajangmyeon, and she got a commercial from it because the eating video goes viral because she ate 2 packs of it, and it looks so looks so she looks like it was delicious, but it is actually real. But I don't really taste the chicken flavor of it. It's not a spicy noodle challenge. That's why I'm drinking the milk at the same time. I can bear the spiciness of it. It's not that really spicy compared to the noodles in the 2 times spicy of noodles of Samyang. But it's good actually. Um, as I promised to you guys, and I know it took a while to wait for this video. Um, Hopefully you could support me by watching my videos, and I'm working on um, uploading longer videos so you could watch me longer eating. I really like the taste of this jajangmyeon after I drink the milk because it's salty. Must be because this noodles is salty in the first place. And I could see the carrots and the cabbage in here for the thumbnail. I put too much milk so I can chew. And I have to um, drink some of the milk so I can chew the noodles. Sorry guys. Excuse me. Mm. The milk is so tasty. The taste is similar to Alaska evaporated um, distilled milk. How do you call this? The Alaska with the white cover in it. Purified milk? I don't know. Fortified milk. It's spicy. I'm getting fuller and fuller. Guys, mm, if you have ever eaten or seen a Korean feet, the dakbal, be careful on the spiciness level of it. Don't try the spiciest level because I've seen lots of videos of people eating those and they got hospitalized or got sick for 3 days. And please don't try to eat that, even a single um, dakbal or the feet, the spicy feet. And now it's some of some um, only a few restaurants offer this in here in the Philippines, but in Korea they offer lots of it, and I just don't want you to get sick, and just be easy on yourself. And you can sacrifice yourself um for food. I know a lot of you are eating spicy for the sake of your diet, because it is effective to lose weight when you're eating spicy, and just take it moderately so you won't get sick after eating it. Though I'm not sick with this, because the milk really helps me to subside the spiciness of it. I think I'm gonna be sharing this to my sister after she woke up um, this morning, so she could try the bulldog jajangmyeon. And I'm gonna end this video, guys, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos, guys, and support me, please. Thank you. Love you. I could really feel the spiciness here in my chest. And so, guys, be careful. Thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys. See you in 2020.